Ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level? Here are the top 7 unique places to distribute money drop cards and supercharge your exposure. First, try laundromats. People waiting for cycles are likely to pick up anything that catches their eye. Second, local libraries. Place them in free bookmarks or inside popular book genres where readers will notice them. Third, gyms and fitness centers. Leave them in locker rooms or by water fountains where members often pause. Fourth, parks and playgrounds. Parents and joggers always notice something unusual on benches or picnic tables. Fifth, inside rideshare vehicles. Ask drivers if you can leave a few cards in seat pockets for passengers to find. Sixth, at community events or flea markets. Drop cards near entrances or information booths where foot traffic is consistently high. Seventh, pet stores. Tuck them near pet food aisles or on bulletin boards where pet owners gather information. Each of these locations offers high visibility and a curious audience eager to engage. Remember, the design of your card should closely mimic real currency and feature a compelling call to action. Use these strategies to convert curiosity into clicks, leads, and sales for your affiliate business. To grab your first 100 money drop cards, absolutely free, click the link below or visit 1millionways2market.com.